sais bien sûr que j'aurais de la peine si je retournais à Paname, il reviendrait mon vague à l'âme. Car dans ces rues j'y ai laissé les morceaux de mon cœur brisé. Et depuis sans me retourner, je m'évertuerai à t'oublier. Et depuis dans les rues de Londres, ton souvenir me suit comme une ombre. Et la pluie sur mes joues nettoie les larmes que je verse pour toi. Les hivers succèdent aux automnes et la vie est bien monotone. Je rêve parfois de printemps, elles sont parties depuis longtemps.
Day 3. Onwards to Paris.
Et la pluie sur mes joues nettoie les larmes que je verse pour toi. Les hivers succèdent aux automnes et la vie est bien monotone. Je rêve parfois de printemps, elles sont parties depuis longtemps.
Today's route pretty much starts by following the Seine. I think I cross it about 4 or 5 times before finally going straight into the centre of the city. Oh, speed bump. Another beautiful day. Well, you don't see that every day.
Puis dans les rues de Londres, ton souvenir me suit comme une ombre. Et la pluie sur mes joues nettoie les larmes que je verse pour toi. Les hivers succèdent aux automnes et la vie est bien monotone.
This ground's a bit testing for a road bike. Served me so well up until now. And then forest trails aren't ideal. Oh. And I'm down. Oh. Turned from that track onto this very sandy dust road, and my tyres couldn't take it. It's not my first fall of the trip, but so far no real damage. This road does not look fun. Only bit of the route I've actually had to walk. It's just too thick, the dust. Dust in my shoes. Look at the state of my hands. Found a road again and a cycle path that goes alongside it. You know what? I think I'm going to opt for the tarmac. Fair play to these tyres. Definitely deserved a puncture on that route. This is a beautiful part of town. Very leafy. Some of these houses. Crikey.
Et depuis dans les rues de Londres, ton souvenir me suit comme une ombre. Et la pluie sur mes joues nettoie les larmes que je verse pour toi. Les hivers succèdent aux automnes et la vie est bien monotone. Je rêve parfois de printemps, ils sont partis depuis longtemps. Ils sont partis depuis longtemps. Ils sont partis depuis longtemps.
Just bumped into the most wonderful people. When I stopped to take a photo at that chateau, there was some Americans there from Austin, Texas, and they offered to take my photo. They were asking about my journey. As I left, they said, could they fill my water bottles up with their water? Very nice. Now following the Seine along into Paris, winding along with it. Well, this is a first. It's a lot lighter without the luggage. and it's a lot easier to walk without the bike clips. Oh voila. We must be in the industrial district of Paris. Got lost a little bit in the centre of the city there. Google Maps are telling me to find a cycle path that didn't exist until I found out I had to go into a lift to get to the level that the cycle path was on. And now I'm on the bridge and final road into the centre and to the Arc De Triomph. There she is. Just as I thought it was home and dry, this little fella fell off the back of the bike. Baggage slammed into the road at full speed. Right outside the Louvre as well.